Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV up here.
I'm on there, so I'm living in car, bro. At the end of the day, I just life, bro. I'm on living in car, I'm just living in car, bro. There's nothing a man can do for you. Life itself set away, you know, people. Is what I say? Life itself set away. Life itself. Everybody have them ups and everybody have them downs. Nothing wrong with that, people. Nothing at all wrong with that. Living in a car. You go back by house, by woman. No, I can't go back at the house. No, I can't go back at the house. It's like you don't understand. I can't be seen in that era again. Is what I say? I cannot be seen in that era. I can't be seen in that era, you see it? No joke about that. I cannot be seen in that era. No, remember say this so remember say outside of the house that happened to me, you know. Yeah, remember say outside of the house that happened to me, you know. So right at the yard gate that happened to me, so me can't be seen back in that era. So me have to just stay out here, you see it? And I just life. But enough people, me I tell you enough people down there, so living at them car, and they wouldn't tell nobody. Say them in a them car I live. They not go tell nobody.
Hi.
What up, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Where you from? England?
Yeah, UK. What about you?
I'm good. I like your accent though.
Thanks. I like yours too.
Yeah, you're pretty amazing.
Thanks. Right back at you. Hi, Glenn in the chat. Are you wanting a bottle?
Alright.
It is sweet, Elle. Really sweet. What are you doing? What time are you on over there?
What time over here? It's 13:33.
Oh, same. Where are you?
Yes. The weather is not that bad over here, no.
Where are you from?
No, I'm from Jamaica. And
Jamaica.
England.
Why is it not red hot?
Huh?
Is it not red hot?
No, I live in the UK.
Oh, I thought you were in Jamaica.
Yeah, no, my background is Jamaica, but I live in the UK.
Whereabouts in UK do you live?
Oh, I live in London.
Nice. Guys, tap up the screen.
How about you?
Leeds. Hi, Omar.
Are you single?
I am single. Are you?
Yeah, I'm single. So, do you want like looking for a relationship or anything like that?
Not actively, no.
Why is that though?
Cause you men are dogs.
No, that's just a part of our culture. Is just
Men in general are just not cool.
no. We know we are man. We don't really good like that, but we like to push our thing in anybody. That's all, man. Any opportunity we get, if we can do something, we do it.
I know, yeah. Are you eating same, Tony? Guys, tap up the screen.
I'm just straightforward. That is why most people don't like me, cause I'm just straightforward. Yeah.
Like them all, Sophie. Like them all. So what are you doing with your day?
I'm just here chilling. I like your ear though. Is that your real ear?
Ear.
Yeah, your ear that you curl.
Oh, hair.
Everybody,
No.
3 more different groses. Is that your real ear?
No, it's not my real hair.
Oh.
Not my real hair. What's your hair saying underneath that?
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. It's a plastic.
You see me and
It's
Greg. Did you
fantastic.
tell me what just now?
Huh?
Someone said they saw me and Greg's.
Oh.
How old are
I'm
you
a
anyway?
Barbie
'Cause you
girl.
only look young.
Huh?
How old are you?
49.
49. Wow. Nice.
I'm joking.
Why aren't you married?
I was married to come here, but it never worked out. But I just want, I want another. No, I want another British so I can marry to you guys and like get
you
my
can-
papers.
So you can stay here. Thank you, Dee.
Yeah. No, I'm straightforward. If I'm marrying into you, I'm just looking my card and straighten up my life, and I'm just straightforward. Maybe you don't like it, but I'm just being honest. Eh? Ah, boy. No, you see, people do not like straightforward people. No, that me I tell you with the world, you see what the world said? No, this is the world we're living in. People don't like when you're being straightforward or being honest. No, I go away. Because me are being straightforward. People don't like you when you're straightforward, bro. People like you when you be a hypocrite, like you act like you actually want a person and you don't want them. People don't like you when you're straightforward, bro. Cause me I go there with you, me I look my papers, me I look my stay, me I look everything. Why not just be with a man who's straightforward? Want me to a man where you are go fall for, then a marriage with this, that, and you go through stress for carry him over here. And as him reaches so, him start get a problem and him dig off. But if him did tell you, say, Mama, you know me not really want you, no one is gonna go with you with your paper. No, but I just a straightforward. Enough people don't like people, but because there's an opportunity there, them just set so boom and just say, alright, you know, say, me I go take the opportunity and cut. Yeah. So I'm just being straightforward. I'm just being straight friggin' forward. No, alright, you see it? But why is it that's the world like people hypocrite? Why is it that people like people being hypocrite? Look like me have to go stop be me then, me have to go start be. No, me have to stop being me, me have to start be a person now where me stop tell people what they want to hear and just being fake. Because people like fake people. People like fake people. No, I wasn't like I'm just being straightforward with her. Me not in a relationship, people. Me not in a friggin' relationship. Oh, me for in a relationship and sleep in a car. My woman there in a blood clip bed every day I wrap up. Me don't even know if she have a man. Me not know. Me not know. Me live in a fucking car. If me a look help, me just a look help. Me just a make you know. Yeah. If a woman want a good thing with the inner my pants. Like a woman want a good something with the inside of my pants. Is what me I say? And she a go give me my papers and thing and I go and ram out her belly. Cause one thing with me, you know, me don't know about no other man.